Hello and welcome to this third video on using StereoKit Rust.
In this video, we focus on Linux, and in particular, how to create a .exe for Windows.
Let's quickly see how to install StereoKit Rust on Linux.
First of all, the prerequisites.
Then installing the tools to check if everything is ready.
Oh yes, if the version you are looking for has not been released, you must add the suffix alpha.
Beta or RC.
Let's get a template and run it. Not bad. We just need an OpenXR runtime.
Let's see if the simulator works.
Good. At this point, we can create and run OpenGL apps for Linux.
Next, we'll create apps that use DirectX.
This is especially interesting because we'll also be able to run them on Linux thanks to Steam Proton.
For this, we need MingW64 tools and libraries.
We add the corresponding Rust target.
Wine must be present to compile shaders.
For this, we add the 32-bit libraries,
Winatrix allows us to install the tools and libraries useful for compiling shaders, but also for running the simulator.
By default, StereoKit produces a single file and all libs are therefore static.
If you prefer to decompose into DLL, use the SKC and DLL feature.
The directory x64 MingW libs allows you to reference all the DLLs that you will have to deliver with your executable. We take the default choice. We just need links to static libs.
This is our export directory.
We can create a release now. And we can launch the app with the simulator thanks to Wine.
But we are there for VR, so we add our executable to Steam.
Envision is a great tool for launching the runtime you need.
WeaveRN is the runtime we need when using a Quest.
We launch Wyvern and Quest. We launch the apps from Steam. This ends this series of 3 videos. Thank you for your attention.